What's up, everybody? This is Trey at Overland Hemisphere. It's a little windy out here, but I come home to see this package. Oh. So we got our package in the mail from Alpena Automotive. Yes, this is Alpena. You guys ready for this? Nice. And now for the second box. This is called a Hug Buddy. Yeah! I was hoping we'd get something like this. So we've been needing some phone holders, and we'd seen some of this in our local auto parts store, but this is super cool.
Is that store?
This is Hug Buddy. And I would say it has to be Thor. It's got the hammer. Yep.
That's cool. That's cool.
And we're not done yet. Hulk smash.
That's cool.
Oh man, this is super awesome. On behalf of Rachel and I here at Overland Hemisphere, we want to say thank you to the Alpena company, Alpena LEDs, for considering us to be part of their business. Sponsorship is a big deal. It's something we've been looking forward to for about 3 years. You can ask my wife. I've applied for a few different ones, a handful of them, but the size of our channel isn't where it needs to be honest. 1,500 followers on Instagram is great. I appreciate everybody that's following. 150 something on YouTube. It's taken work to get those 150 something subscribers. You know, our Facebook group is doing great, almost 500. So we want everybody to participate in the group. We don't want it to just be what we want to post and nobody else gets to post. No. On our group, anything you guys do outdoors, you can post. I keep harping on gardeners because I want to see some gardening pics of some awesome stuff. I know there's people out there that have a real green thumb. I'll show a little bit of my cacti, but that's about all I can grow. But having a company show this much interest in us because we promote them is pretty special, and we want to say thanks.
Dave is on the Hulk since he's green.
My wife's favorite color. So we are going to close out this short video of thanks and gratitude to the Alpena LED company. If you guys are looking for solid off-road lighting, undercarriage lighting, inside your car lighting, strip lighting, tail whips for your truck or trailer, anything that will pimp your ride per se, you know, you can find it at Walmart, you can find it at AutoZone and a whole bunch of other retailers. Just go onto their website, alpena.us, and order stuff for yourself. We just did a short video that should be uploading here and showing us after we purchase our front grill marker lights from Alpena at our local Walmart and installing them on Samson himself. So we replaced the ones that we had that were going out with Alpena grill marker lights. So look up for that video, that's coming up soon as well. And we move on to the next segment where we unboxed the small boxes. Here we have our unboxing. Alright, so we're back. As you see, we open the box and we find tools, we find instructions. This is color coordinated. It's easy to follow. The
hardware is all where it needs to be. It's all accounted for. And no harm, no foul. So, full disclosure, this is a sponsored video. We have received these products on behalf of Alpena Automotive. We want to thank them very much for responding to our Instagram, communicating with us, sending us these new brackets for the faithful lights that we've had on our Samson the Power Wagon. And we will be making a video of the removal of the prior set of brackets that have been on there faithfully, including being on our previous Ram 1500, the Silverback. So we are familiar with the system. We really like them. They are no drill. They clamp onto the surface without any drilling. These foam holders seem very durable. They have a nice grippy surface, rubbery textures, malleable. They do hold on to the phone very well. And we'll show you how they look inside of the vehicle here coming up soon. Our next video upload will show us installing these onto Samson, and you can catch that here in the next couple uploads. Take care now.